Hello ladies and gentlemen, all of you welcome. Green salad with tuna, healthy diet salad. Easy to prepare tuna pasta recipe. Two different recipes were prepared in this video. First, green salad with tuna sauce will be made. Prefer fresh and seasonal green salad ingredients. Necessary ingredients for making tuna salad. Use rocket or cress. I prefer using cress. Has a bitter aromatic taste and countless benefits. Green mint and dill. Parsley. Iceberg lettuce. Leaves are thicker and tastier than other types of lettuce. Boiled corn. 1 carrot. Cherry tomatoes. Ingredients for salad dressing: olive oil, grape vinegar, pomegranate syrup, rock salt, lemon, garlic. 1 tuna fish, you can increase it upon request. You can add walnuts and olives on the salad. Soak these green leafy vegetables in vinegar cold water and wash them. There may be invisible creatures on green leaves. Grape vinegar will keep them clean. Wash green ingredients and chop without water. Iceberg lettuce, chop square, not too thin, chop 3 centimeters tall. Chop green fresh mint, you can add only by separating the leaves by hand. Chop the butter, add the chopped ingredients into the glass bowl. Chop parsley and dill, add. This amount will be enough for 5 people to consume with a main meal. For those on a diet, this salad will be the main dish alone. Add boiled corn. A corn that I bought and frozen fresh this summer. Now we are in March. Separate the corn grains with a fork and add. Add carrot. Prepare the leaves in the form of leaves with the apparatus to peel the carrot to be compatible with the salad. Cut it to 3 inches and add thin carrot slices. Mix ingredients completely. Slice and add cherry tomatoes. You can place them on the edges for ornamental purposes. You can add some more corn on top. Add walnuts. Add black or green olives between the tomatoes. Salad prepared. Now a tuna salad dressing will be prepared. Add the tuna in a bowl. Add the oil in the canned food. Add olive oil. Add salt to garlic and crush it completely. Add a little vinegar and lemon juice to the crushed garlic mix. Add rock salt. Add pomegranate syrup and mix. Tuna salad dressing was prepared. You can make this mixture without fish and with more walnuts, or using more fish. Add the sauce you prepared on the salad, mix when it will be served. Ingredients for making tuna pasta: a bowl of auger pasta and 1 bowl of water, 1 onion, green pepper and capia pepper, 1 canned tuna, red chili peppers and ground black pepper, rock salt and olive oil. Add a bowl of water and salt to the pot, wait for it to boil. Chop half onion. Chop a red bell pepper. Chop green pepper. You can use hot pepper, these are some hot pepper. Add the pasta after the water boils and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Use 1 bowl of water for 1 bowl of pasta and do not wash the pasta after cooking. Add olive oil into a large pan. Add chopped onions and peppers, mix, cook for 5 minutes. Add canned tuna, mix. Add boiled pasta, mix. Add chili pepper and black pepper, you can add your favorite spices. You can serve it after checking the salt content. Garnish with cherry tomatoes and roasted onions. You can add slices of cheese instead of onions. Two different recipes prepared with tuna sauce. Pasta and salad are a good match. I think you can do the same day in two recipes. Mix and serve the salad, especially the salad was a very good mixture. Tuna fish have omega-3, phosphorus, iron, magnesium and vitamins B12, A, D and E. You should especially feed your tuna fish with such strong values to your children. We have come to the end of a video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos and supported me. See you in a new video. Goodbye.